going on, y'all? So I know I said I was gonna start back on my channel. So I know I've been away for a little bit. I've been working on the other one, so here we are with a update. So I haven't done any modifications to my car except for throttle body spacer. I did a mid muffler delete. Also, another thing, my car is stick shift. I don't know if you guys saw the last video of me running down the specs of it, the horsepower, everything else, but my car is manual. I know people say that automatic is faster, but I just like the feel of a muscle car being automatic. It's like I get to control it. I tell it when to shift, downshift, things like that. I love it. And it actually has a decent amount of space for my son. So the back seat isn't like crowded or nothing. Like, it's not small like a Camaro or a Mustang. So I mean, I can actually put 2 people in the back. But that's the good part about driving this. And it is actually a daily driver. It's 2015 RT, and I drive it every day. Gas is okay. Gas is not too bad. Being manual, I get like 20, 23 miles per gallon. So it's good. V8 does pretty good, man. Damn. It still scares me sometimes. Scare me sometimes, so I gotta watch out for it my damn self. I just went from 4th to 3rd just now, so that's a downshift. The clutch is smooth transition. It's not like a short throw like the Subarus, like you can do all that. I haven't done anything to the clutch. It's not a really long path, you know what I mean, for all you manual drivers out there. There's not a real long path to it. Hopefully when I get my next car, it'll be automatic. And I want a GTR. They're a really beautiful car. I think that's a beautiful car, especially for like a first supercar. I love GTRs. I love them. Also, I'm going to be, like I said, I'm going to be more active on this channel. I'm going to be looking at other cars, test driving other cars, showing the interior, exterior. Mine's a little dirty right now, so you can't really see. So I'm not going to really show the interior of my car. But it's a little dirty. But all the other cars, yeah, you can see the interior. Until I get mine cleaned out, then I'll show y'all.